Here is a wonderful 2018 Honda CR-V. With less than 35,000 miles on the prepare to fall in love with this sleek, tech-savvy CR-V. Loaded with convenience features to make your life easier, all-weather capability, and premium styling. This small SUV is the perfect complement to your active lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel confident and calm when you tackle life's daily adventures in this Honda CR-V. Come in and drive it home today.